The word peso comes from the Spanish word for weight, as the currency was originally based on the Spanish silver dollar. The current design of the Philippine peso bills features iconic Filipinos and Philippine natural wonders. 20 pesos, 20 pesos, 20 pesos, 50 pesos, 50 pesos, 50 pesos, 100 pesos, 100 pesos, 100 pesos, 200 pesos, 200 pesos, 200 pesos, 500 pesos, 500 pesos, 500 pesos, 1,000, isa kalibo, isa kalibo. Here are the coins. Be careful, they all look almost identical and the size is also almost the same. 1 peso, piso, piso. 2 pesos, 2 pesos, 2 pesos. 5 pesos, 5 pesos, 5 pesos. 10 pesos, 10 pesos, 10 pesos. These are some of the old coins that might still be circulating around the country. Here are some simple vocabularies and phrases related to Philippine currency. Piso, piso, the Filipino word for peso. Papel, papel, means paper, and it's often used to refer for banknotes. Cuarta, cuarta, money. Naa kay kwarta? Naa kay kwarta? Do you have money? Do you have money? Bayad, bayad, means payment. Dira akong bayad. Dira akong bayad. Here's my payment. Here's my payment. Sincilio, sincilio, refers to coins. Naa kay sincilyo? Naa kay sincilyo? Do you have coins? Do you have coins? PILA, PILA, how much? Pila ni? Pila ni? How much is this? How much is this? SUKLI, SUKLI. Change. Asa akong sukli? Asa akong sukli? Where is my change? Where is my change? Sobra. Sobra. Too much. Sobra imong kwarta. Sobra imong kwarta. Your money is too much. Your money is too much. Kulang. Kulang. Not enough. Kulang akong sukli. Kulang akong sukli. My change is not enough. My change is not enough. Daghan. Daghan. A lot. Daghan kog kwarta. Daghan kog kwarta. I have a lot of money. I have a lot of money. Wala. Wala. Don't have. Wala ko'y kwarta. Wala ko'y kwarta. I don't have money. I don't have money. Naa. Naa. Have. Na ako'y 500 diri. Na ako'y 500 diri. I have 500 here. I have 500 here. Daghang salamat. Daghang salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.